Right, we're off on a little jaunt today. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so a late start. Forecast is looking pretty good. I got a couple of consecutive days off, so took the dog out this morning for a bit. So now I'm going to cycle down to Sennen Cove Campsite, check out all my camping kit, make sure it's still okay. Because hopefully doing a week-long ride end of next month. So it should be about maybe a couple of hours down to Sennen Cove now. Just coming down through a little village called Ponds. I'm just coming through from here. Right, just come down a 25%er. Now we're going up the other side. I think it's quite 25, it's about 18 I would have thought. And I've just stopped at the top of the first hill. We're just above Hale. Just showing you what sort of day it is today. It's a good test for me and the bike. Lovely view at the minute. Just above the railway line. Right, just coming into Hale now. Right, coming through Hale, we're picking up the King George V Memorial Walk. Right, quite nicely, the route's now taking me off the busy road and brought me through a nature reserve. Come through Hale with Anson Earth, been through the nature reserve. Right, we're coming the back route into Marzine now. Should be able to see some Michael's Mount in the background. Not going that way today, we're turning right instead of left to the mount. Right, this is Marzine Beach. Alright, the point you can see over there is Mousehole. And you've got Newlyn and Penzance in the distance. There's Penzance Harbour now. starting a longer promenade up in Vents. Well, we shouldn't be too far off now. We're a couple of miles outside of Sennen now, and where the campsite should be. Right, I'm all pitched, set up for the night. Taking a little ride down the road, a couple of miles to the shop. The site's only about a third full, which is nice. Just pulled in just up from the site. I've just noticed this Quaker's burial site. Yeah, apparently it's a Quaker burial ground from 1659. There's the stone, burial stones there, I assume. Seems to be the only one. But just right on the corner of quite a busy road. Right, we're just outside of Sennen now, and this is the little local chapel. As you can see, across above the door is a couple of surfboards. Alright, we're almost back. Just try to fly the drone to get some shots over the campsite and over the coastline. Unfortunately, we're just too close to Land's End Airport. Won't let me take off.